Today, I am going to teach you how to install Microsoft Office 2021 for free and activate it. First, please uninstall any previous versions of Office that you have installed on your PC. Then, type Office Customization Tool in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. In the deployment settings, first select your operating system. I am using a 64-bit system, so I am going to select 64-bit. Under Office Suites, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Scroll down. Here, you can turn on or off the buttons for the apps you want to install. If you don't want to install an app, simply turn off its button. For instance, I don't need Skype for Business, so I'm turning off its button. After that, click the Next button. Here, you have to select the language. Scroll down and select the Next button. Scroll down and select the Next button. Here, turn off the button to uninstall any MSI versions of Office, including Visio and Project. Scroll down and select the Next button. Scroll down and select the Next button. Scroll down and at the end, click on Finish button. After that, click on the Export button. Here, you have to select the Office Open XML format and click on the OK button. Then, tick mark the license agreement and click on the Export button. Your file will be downloaded immediately. And then open the new tab. In the search bar, type Office Deployment Tool. Select the Download Office Deployment Tool from Official link, and then click on Download button below. Your file will be downloaded immediately. Open the Download folder, make New Folder, and put Office 2021. Name on folder. Select both the Office Customization Tool and Office Deployment Tool files from the Download folder. Cut them and paste them into the Office 2021 folder. Open the Office 2021 folder, then right-click on Office Deployment Tool and select Run as Administrator. A new window will appear. Check the box for Microsoft Office Terms and License, then click on the Continue button. In the new window, select the Office 2021 folder in your Downloads folder, then click the OK button. You will see a message indicating that your files have been extracted successfully. Go back to the Downloads folder, cut the Office 2021 folder, then navigate to Drive C where your Windows is installed. Paste the folder here. Exit this folder. Go to the Start button and type CMD in the search bar. Run CMD as an administrator. If you run it normally, there may be problems during the installation process. Here, you have to type the code provided in the notepad. CDE space C colon backslash Office 2021. Enter. Setup / configure space configuration .xml and then press Enter button. After pressing the Enter button, you will see a new window. Wait until your system starts the installation process. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now for more great videos. This will take about 1 to 3 minutes to start the installation. Please be patient. Now the installation process start, and this will take about 4 to 8 minutes to finish the installation. Now that the installation process is complete, click on the Close button. Minimize all the apps, then go to the Start button and navigate to All apps. Select one of the Microsoft Office 2021 apps. For example, let's open the Excel app. Click on the Account button. You will see that Office is not activated, and it requires a license. On my computer, it shows that the product is activated because I have already installed the activation. However, on your computer, it shows that the product is not activated. To activate it, close the program. Before installing the activation key, make sure you turn off your Windows security. Go to the taskbar, open Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then go to the end of the page and click on Manage Settings. Turn off all the active buttons, then start the activation process. And go to the Start button. In the search bar, type Notepad and click on Run as Administrator. Next, go to the first comment of the video. Copy all the code and paste it into Notepad. Click on the Save As button. Select the desktop, and in the name bar, type Activate CMD. Then click Save. Go to the desktop, right-click on Activate CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Wait until the command prompt completes its work. At the end, press the N button. After activation is complete, you can turn Windows security back on. And go to the Start button. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Microsoft Office 2021 with activation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.